Hi everyone, in this video we will use the image tag to refer or to link an image to our website. So along with the image, tag, we will use the src attribute. In this attribute, place the name and extension of the image. So you can see that my image is located in the same folder as my HTML file. So I just need to put the name and the extension. So if you want to just put the name and the extension or the type of the image without having to specify any paths, place it in the same location as your HTML file. Okay, so so this is it. There isn't much for now. This is what we can do, but it is also good to specify the width. You can use the width and the height attribute. So before doing that, let me just show you what this looks like. So here is the image, and I have gotten this image from Pixabay, where they have some loyalty-free images. So this is the link to it. I want to make this a bit smaller, so I can use the width attribute to specify what size, what width I'd like to have, and also the height attribute to specify its height. So I'm just going to I'll hover the mouse over my image just to see what current dimensions I've got. So you can see it's 640 by 427. So I would like to have half of the width. So maybe 320, approximately that's its half of 640. And for the height, just so that I can get a proportional resize, for the height, it's also approximately 213, and this is probably not a perfect division, but you can see that my image has resized, which is good. This is what I want. So I could also what I can also do is I can make this. So currently when I click on the image, nothing happens. So you can use an image just like this, but if you want it to be a clickable image that takes you somewhere, you can turn this into a link using the anchor tag and href attribute. And here is where I could place the URL, and just make sure that you get the exact URL. So this is where this is the exact URL that I want it to take me to. So now that I've placed it in here, and as we did in our previous, before I do that, let me just save and show you what happens. So visually nothing happens, but now I can click on the image and it takes me to where I've gotten the image from. I'd like this to open in a new tab. So like I've explained in my previous video, I could use the target attribute and blank. So this will make the image link, or the link to open in a new tab. So that's about it. In the next video, I'm going to explain 2 other attributes that we can use with the image tag, and those are the title and the alt. So I'll see you in the next video.